asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage bitch.
Let's see how I achieve this
Look
look.
back while I twerk.
Stay tuned for the video.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening?
So I just mainly need you guys to see. And if I'm doing this wrong, please correct me in the comments because good. Y'all can see this. That looks good. And then I just compare. So yeah, her name gonna be Melanin. Ooh, she gonna be cute. Let me just finish. Let me styling this wig. I'm trying to have a nice natural look and you know, trying something new. I love the fact that it's Black History Year because I'm not celebrating no Black History for only 1 month. Like they tripping, like for real. So I want you guys to come with me while I style this wig. I just got through plucking. That's what all that hair is. And I was like, let me just get on here. Does this shit look good or not? The fuck? So after plucking the hairline and detangling, and then I went ahead and took out the flexi rods. And that's what you see here. Okay, she cute and bouncy or whatever. Now let's flat iron her down a little bit and get those edges on fleek. You already know how it is with the edges. We gotta shape her and lay her flat for a more realistic look. Okay, coming along. Now let's cut this hair so we can shape these baby hairs. Swoop, swoop. Okay, you see them. Now abracadabra, abraca, boom. Okay, she cute. Hold on, bring it back. Going in with my Even Wonder Lace Bun and my Gots to Be Insta Hold. Gotta slick that wig on. And just like that. So after putting the wig on and holding it in place, I use my handy dandy stocking sock to hold it further until it dries. And then voila. This was the easiest way to style and install a wig. This is my easiest way to do it. And so once again, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.